How to use Quillbot in MS Word. So first open MS Word and then just click on the search bar here at the top. Then search for add in. And then click on insert and add in. Now from here you just need to click on store. Okay, now here you just need to type in Quillbot, search for it, and then just click on add. Click on continue. Now let's just wait for it. Okay, now you can see Quillbot here and here as well. Now you can just choose any of the options here that you want to use using Quillbot. So let's say I'm going to use grammar checker. Then let's type in anything here that's obviously has a wrong grammar. So let's say I want to eat an apple. Now if you want to use the grammar checker, just highlight this, then just click. Now once you've highlighted the text, Quillbot will automatically add it here. So once you see it here, you can see that it has a grammar error here. So if you want to fix it, just click on fix all here at the bottom. Okay, and then if you want to change this into this, just click on insert, and there you go. Okay, now you can play around with the other options here as well, the paraphraser and then the summarizer. You can see all of the options here. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.